Hello and welcome to my channel, I Know Gadgets. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best car accessories you can buy this year. Whether you're a car enthusiast looking to customize your ride or just want to upgrade your car with the latest tech, these accessories will take your car from ordinary to extraordinary. From headlight covers to car audio systems, I'm going to show you the best car accessories you must have in 2023. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Number 5. SentrySafe Fireproof and Waterproof Safe Box. The SentrySafe Fireproof and Waterproof Safe Box is a great way to protect your irreplaceable documents, small valuables, and other important items. This box is UL classified to endure 1/2 hour at 1,550 degrees Fahrenheit and ETL verified for 72 hours of water submersion, so you can rest assured that your items are safe. The Fireproof box has a flat key lock that prevents the lid from opening in the event of a fire, and the document safe has built-in straps for easy storage. Overall, this is a great fireproof and waterproof safe box that is an excellent choice for protecting your most important items. Number 4. REDTIGER F7N4K Dual Dashcam. The REDTIGER F7N4K Dual Dashcam is the perfect solution for drivers looking for the ultimate in video quality. With a 4K front camera, 1080-pixel rear camera, and a 3.16-inch display, this dashcam offers the highest resolution available. Additionally, it comes with built-in GPS tracking and Wi-Fi connection, so you can easily change settings and view, download, and share your videos. The night vision is crystal clear thanks to the high-spec StarVis sensor and WDR and HDR technology. It also features a 24 hours non-stop parking monitor for added security. With a 1-year warranty and 24/7 technical support, the REDTIGER F7N4K Dual Dashcam is the perfect choice for any driver. Number 3. SAVORI Auto Hooks Bling Car Hangers. The SAVORI Auto Hooks Bling Car Hangers Organizer Seat Headrest Hooks are a great way to add some extra storage to your car. The heavy-duty metal car hangers provide a convenient way to keep your car well organized and keep items from rolling around and spilling. With their versatile and durable design, these car seat hooks can be used to hang groceries, clothes, umbrellas, handbags, kids' toys, and much more. They are also easy to attach and use and feature a beautiful sparkle bling-bling rhinestone crystal decoration that makes them the perfect gift for any woman or girl who has a car. Overall, a great product that is sure to make your car rides more enjoyable. Number 2. Type S License Plate Frame HD Wireless Backup Camera. The Type S License Plate Frame HD Wireless Backup Camera is a must-have for any truck, car, SUV, or RV driver. With its easy installation, you won't have to hardwire it into anything, and the wireless transmission between the HD cam and the monitor is seamless. Its 720-pixel HD resolution displayed on the 5 monitor provides superior night vision up to 30 feet. And its motion activation allows you to wake up the camera with a wave of your hand. The Smart Parking Assistant with its accurate parking guidelines will help you get into even the tightest spots with ease. Plus, the durable and reliable IP67 material will keep the camera securely attached to the back of your vehicle. If you're looking for a reliable backup camera, this is definitely one to consider. Number 1. K&K Automotive Snow Socks for Tires. The K&K Automotive Snow Socks for Tires Pro Series for Ultimate Grip Snow Chain Alternative Traction Device is an invaluable item for winter travelers. This product offers better traction, improved steering and braking performance, and is easy to assemble without damaging tires or rims. It is legally accepted and a safe substitute for traditional tire chains and cables, and can be reused and washed. Assembly time is only 5 minutes, and it is certified to EU EN 16662-1 standards. This device is an essential item for those traveling in wintry conditions. Highly recommended. So there you have it, the 5 best car accessories you must have in 2023. From a car phone mount to a backup camera, you can find these items at the link in the description below. So don't wait. Upgrade your car today and make your driving experience even more enjoyable. Thanks for watching and have a great day.